Nifty is the index which is tracked by global investors. Nifty helps us know the market directions. So if you are looking for the regular updates on Nifty, here we update daily Nifty, weekly Nifty, monthly Nifty, yearly Nifty. Daily Nifty is updated every day morning before 9 o'clock. It gives you information on what discussed yesterday, what happened yesterday, and what to expect today. We discussed major indices. We discussed USD, INR along with crude. We discuss some important events in daily Nifty. Weekly Nifty is updated every Monday before 9, where we discuss what we discussed last week, what happened last week, and what to expect this week, along with major indices. Monthly Nifty is updated on 1st of every month, where we discuss what we have discussed last month, what happened last month, and what to expect this month. Yearly Nifty, same thing, is updated 1st of every year, January. We discuss what we discussed last year, what happened last year, and what to expect in the upcoming year, along with major indices and some events which can affect the market. So get ready to track the benchmark of India along with thousands of investors since last decade. Welcome. Only at profit from it. Just download the app and stay up to date with Nifty and major indices. Today is the time for Nifty in awesome August. What to expect from Nifty, Bank Nifty, or other major indices? So what we have discussed in joyful July, Nifty was 10,302. So yes, we saw a higher high and higher close, but it was near the target of our 61.8% retracement level, which was our first target during the fall, and that was 10,553. So important level to track the whole month was 10,553 and 9,544. As we can see in the chart, the positive bias started since the last 3 months, could even continue beyond the target of 10,553 toward 10,722, 11,142, or even 11,378, which was 78.6% retracement level. If and only if Nifty is able to sustain above 10,553, which was 61.8% retracement level. Anyway, the more than expected range of 10,552 to 11,378, which is 78.6% retracement level, should be used as a profit booking zone where another 5% profit could be booked, and we may see Nifty again getting trapped in the above recovery zone 10,552 to 11,378. No need to worry till Nifty trade above 95.44, right? Considering high volatility due to Indo-China, any fall till 95.44 should be treated as the normal fall, but any fall below 95.44 can stretch the fall directly toward 8700. Hence, watch 95.44 as the important level to track this whole July. Anyway, July will be joyful for all if Nifty recover toward 11147 or 11378. Then for those who already have bought during the past fall, good news for all of those, and joyful for those if it even fall below 95.44 who want to accumulate more. So the rule is sweet and simple: buy during fall, avoid buying during rallies. This was the discussion of joyful July when Nifty was 10,302. So now let us check actually what happened in joyful July. Nifty came to 11,073 from 10,302. So as discussed last month, Nifty was able to sustain about 95.44, which helped Nifty to recover further towards 11,341, which was just 37 point away from our target of 78.6% retracement level. What was our target? 11,378, right? But Nifty recovered till 11,341. Yes. So last month was the fourth month of the recovery and the second month in the row with the higher high, higher low and the higher close. So while recovery, people forget how they were fallen. Let me remind, we should not forget the dark side that Nifty during the March month alone fell from 11,433 to 7,511. So to recover the same single month fall, Nifty required long 4 months, still not recovered the damage of single month, that is March. Nifty since January 2020 entered into a fall where we saw the fall of 4920 points in just 3 months. So a 40% cut in Nifty as well as the US market due to the great lockdown, which was comparable with the recession of 1930. Yes, historical volumes were seen during this fall. Last month was the fourth month with the recovery of around 3830 points. Shows as expected 78% fall has been recovered, right? If you memorize, then what we were expecting was 78.6% retracement. So still we are little bit away from target. Still we can say recovery was slow as it consumed more fuel. That is more month to recover just 78% of the fall. It consumed 180% time to recover only 78% fall. Yes, Nifty made the higher high, higher low and higher close. Above all, that is 50, 100, 200 MEMA, conforming bulls. But still we are at the target level, that is 78.6% retracement. Nifty Bank has underperformed during this whole recovery. If we compare all indices, then Nifty recovered 78% of its fall. Nifty Bank recovered just 40% of the fall. Shows Nifty Bank underperformed Nifty, while Nifty IT recovered 140% of the fall. It shows Nifty IT is in rally. It shows the full story that Nifty Bank would be the first to fall during falling market. Nifty would perform average while Nifty IT would zoom towards 23,031 this year itself. 30% more rally. Nifty IT would outperform, Bank Nifty would underperform. Let us move toward most important part of the today. What to expect in awesome August? Nifty is 11,073. Important level to track this whole month should be 10,298, 10298. No need to worry till Nifty trades above 10,298. The positive bias could continue further toward 11,510. In such a way, Nifty could complete its target of 11,378. Just recall, these were the old target, 78.6% retracement, missing target. Any recovery above 11,378 could be used as the bonus point, and some profit booking should be done in low demand sector. Got it? Those sector where sales figure are coming lower. We may see Nifty move in the range of 11,500 to 10,500 this whole month, right? Hence, profit could be booked at a higher channel near 11,500, while again some new buying can be initiated at lower level near 10,500. So this range should be written down in the diary: 11,500 at upper level to 10,500 at lower level. The negative trend for the next 2 to 3 months could again re-enter if and only if Nifty falls below 10,298, which is previous month low, as well as 50 MEMA, right? So the negative trend for 2 to 3 months could again re-enter only if Nifty falls below 10,298. Else, bias could be flat to positive. So watch this level closely for the whole month. The rule should be sweet and simple. Buy during fall, avoid buying during rallies. So let us see if Nifty moves towards target of 10,510, then positive broader indices would be next 50, Nifty 100, 200, 500, small cap, commodities, consumption, dividend opportunity, energy, FMCG, infra, Nifty IT, no doubt outperformance, metal, MNC, value 20, pharma, and service. While if Nifty moved toward 10,500, then private bank index will suffer the most. For USD INR, currently it's trading at 74.90. Important level to track the whole month should be 75.63. So fall towards 73.30 could be seen if USD INR sustain below 75.60, right? Crude oil. Crude is currently 39.90. Important level to track in crude should be 38.50. The negative trend for 2 to 3 months in crude could again re-enter if and only if crude fell below 38.50. Track closely 38.50 whole month. Sustaining about 38.50 can even help recover further toward 50 also. All right. So if we compound everything together, world GDP would be could be minus 5% this year. India's GDP could be positive 2% this year. Sales of Nifty 50 companies could grow by around 5%, and profits could also grow by around just 5%. Considering this sales and growth, Nifty P is around 28. Price to book value is also around 3. Valuations are what investor can do. is invest in growing industries. Growing means those industries where sales are not suffering. Despite corona, despite lockdown, there are several sectors which are still able to grow their business. Should increase your weightage in these growing industries. Should continue doing SIP in all these growing industries, top quality companies. Have patience. We are going to see good time again. Around 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we are going to see Nifty again giving 12% CAGR return. Who will be able to reap the fruits in 2025 or 2030? All those investors who are continuously doing SIP during this challenging time could reap the fruits from the seeds they have sown during these times. Let me announce some of the events like 6th September, 5 steps towards wealth creation. These are the annual meets which we are doing around the country in several cities. 6th September for Chennai, Pondicherry and Coimbatore investors, we have arranged the 3 or 5 step toward wealth program. Can register for the same. Along with this 5 step toward wealth creation program, all those who want to learn the analysis practically, no batch in the month of August will be there. September 24th, a new batch will be started. So all those people who want to learn practically can learn till that time from different tutorial videos and can join from 24th September 11 with practical workshop. So it was the pleasant discussing with you all. Thank you very much and best of luck to everybody. Jai Hind.